Hello everyone, it's Dr. Shiva Ayadure. I'm pleased to share with you an incredible video of our first graduating class of Truth, Freedom, and Health leaders. As many of you know, our focus is to get on the ground and meet neighbor to neighbor and to build the bottoms-up movement. So this video shares with you some of our incredible leaders who are on the ground, one-on-one, connecting with people, not only in the United States, but all over the world. So please enjoy, and there'll be more of these coming. Thank you.
Howdy there, True Freedom Health. We're out here in Omaha, Nebraska. I encourage you to join the movement, stoke the fire, spread the flame, and most importantly, be the light. Thank you all for watching the video, and please stand out, walk out, and join the movement for True Freedom Health. Thank you.
Come on! People get it. They understand these clowns in DC do not represent the American people. If all of your world was through the television, you would think Democrats and Republicans are out in the street killing each other. But then you get on the ground and you talk to your neighbor and you realize you have everything in common. You all want truth, freedom, and health. I think a lot of people can get behind this. Thank you. There's another warrior right there. Most powerful thing you could do. Knowledge is power. The only thing the left and right have done has destroyed our health, destroyed our country, and sold us out to corporations.
I love it, man.
All right, cool, man. Have a great day.
Truth, Freedom, Health Canada, let's go!
Get educated or be enslaved. Join the movement for truth, freedom, and health.
Dr.SHIVA, are you familiar with Dr.SHIVA? He said, locally? And I'm like, yeah. He's running in 2024 for president. Get his name out there. I'm like, we'll do that.